You say that, it makes me think about too, like, I can't count how many times over all the years I've heard someone say, "Man, I regret not doing this back in,"
Mhm.
in this case, back in March, right? It's the heat of the summer. If it's dead of the winter back in, September. But I've never heard anybody that's put in the new system get to the middle of that season and that season like, "Boy, I wish I'd have waited till now to do it." Like, they're so glad and thankful that they did, and so, yeah, I mean, don't live with the regret, right? Plan ahead, be prepared, and, get it taken care of now why it's much simpler.